Welcome back. For today's SAT math problem, we are on a calculator test and we're on a series of questions here. So this table will apply to questions 16 and 17. We'll do 16 today and 17 tomorrow. Mr. Martinson is building a concrete patio in his backyard and deciding where to buy the materials and rent the tools needed for the project. The table below shows the materials cost and daily rental costs for 3 different stores. The total cost, Y, for buying the materials and renting the tools in terms of the number of days, X, is given by the equation Y equals M plus the quantity W plus K times X. For what number of days, X, will the total cost of buying the materials and renting tools from store B be less than or equal to the total cost of buying the materials and renting the tools from store A? Go ahead and pause the video and come up with your response, and then press play. So we have 2 stores that we're comparing here, store A and store B. So at store A, Y equals, and we have the materials cost, so that's $7.50. Plus the quantity, W plus K, so that's 15 plus 65, times X. And for store B, we have Y equals 600 plus 25 plus 80 times X. We want to know when will store B be less than or equal to store A, so we will set store B less than or equal to store A. And we'll do some simplifying as we set that up. So we have 600 plus 25 plus 80, that's 105, X. So that store B has to be less than or equal to store A, 750 plus 15 plus 65, that's 80, X. Okay, so now we can solve this inequality. So I've got a 105x and an 80x. I want to move the x to the left to keep that positive, so I'll subtract that 80x, and I'll also subtract this 600 to move those to the other side. So I have 105x minus 80x, that's 25x, is less than or equal to 750 minus 600, that's 150. And then I'll divide both sides by 25. Okay, 150 divided by 25, 25 goes into 156 times, so X is less than or equal to 6, so less than or equal to 6 days, and that is option A. So for number 16, we are choosing option A.